Hi friends. Today we're making super delicious black pepper chicken, restaurant style and full of bold flavors that everyone loves. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe, like, share, and press the bell icon so you never miss a recipe. Bell. Marination, 45 to 50 seconds. First, take half a kilogram boneless chicken. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons black pepper chili sauce, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 2 to 3 tablespoons corn flour, and half a cup all-purpose flour. Mix everything well until the chicken is coated. Cover it and let it marinate for 30 minutes to absorb all the flavors. Sauce prep, 30 to 35 seconds. In a small bowl, add crushed black pepper, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon chili sauce, 1 tablespoon vinegar. Mix well and keep it aside. This will give the chicken that signature spicy, tangy flavor. Frying chicken, 50 to 60 seconds. Heat oil in a pan and deep fry the marinated chicken until golden and crispy. Once done, remove it and keep it aside. Look at that golden crunch, just perfect. Cooking with veggies, 50 to 60 seconds. In another pan, heat a little oil and add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 sliced onion, 2 to 3 green chilies, 3 to 4 spring onions or capsicum pieces. Sauté the vegetables for a minute or two. Now add the fried chicken and the prepared black pepper sauce. Mix everything well and cook on low flame, for 5 minutes so all the flavors combine perfectly. Serving and outro, 20 to 30 seconds. And there you have it, your black pepper chicken is ready to serve. Poultry leg. Serve it hot with fried rice or noodles for the perfect meal. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and press the bell icon for more amazing recipes.